Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we get into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. And also, I have a giveaway video that we posted yesterday for the Apoca box. So if you're new to the channel or you just haven't seen the notification, make sure and go ahead and go check that out. That is it's a review and a giveaway for that December Apoca box. So yeah, that was the one with the skill challenge for the saw. So anyway, go check that out and make sure that you get yourself entered into that giveaway. And so today we're gonna do it. That retro ration that I got from Mike, we're gonna look at it and we're gonna review it, and we're just gonna get into it. I was really hesitant. I was really excited when I got it, but you know, I want everybody to enjoy this, so let's just get into it. This is a Ration type Retro K. This was the Retro Ration Dinner. Inspection date was May of 2022, and I believe that our main is going to be the corned beef hash. I think that's how they work. There's a few different variations. I'm not going to talk too much about it because, well, it was before my time, and thanks to Mike, I actually get to enjoy this because I was never able to get a hold of one. So anyway, let's pop it open and see what we got. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. A lot of stuff. Well, first off, we got Cholula, one of my favorite hot sauces. I got a few of them, but awesome. Glad to see it. Skyflakes. If you guys have never had Skyflakes, but actually these are the condensed sweet milk ones. They've got a bunch of different styles and kinds. But yeah, so we got those in there. And so we got 3 more packs of Skyflakes, regular. These are really good crackers. 1 MRE standard spoon. And oh, what do we got here? Got a bunch of cans in here. So we've got those Aquatab purification tabs. These expire 2026. So we got a little bit left. A little bit of time. So I think somebody agreed on this, that these were for 1 liter of water per tab, but if anybody knows, leave in the comments. Well, where do I start? We got all kinds of stuff here. Crackers and jam. Now these look like paint top lids, so you don't have to use a can opener. So crackers and jam on that one. Here's our main corned beef hash. Ooh, that's pretty heavy. 15-ounce can. 400 calories, which doesn't seem like a lot. It's pretty low. Here's our drink tin. Here's our snacks. And here's our accessory kit. And we've got a P38. Now, is this a real one? I believe so. Alright, well, it says U.S. Shelby Company. So I'm assuming this is a real P38. Well, anyway. Let's start popping these cans. Oh, excuse me. Let's start out with this accessory. I wonder if I can just pop it with this. Possible? It feels like it. Yeah. So these are really, really fun to look in. I really enjoy checking out Minotaur's different options that they had. Taster's Choice. Got 2 of those. 3 coffees for 1 ration. Oh, this one's a hazelnut, by the way. Alright. I didn't know there were different ones. I've only ever seen regular. Sweet. Oh boy. Well, so we've seen these and the zombie, allmres.com, and these are no bueno. So that was a fruit punch. This is a pink lemonade, and you can already see that they're no bueno. So we've got 1, 2 wet wipes so far. Got three creamers. What have we got here? So some Minotaur branded matches. Nice. The old stick kind. Let's see what we got. We got a sugar. What is this? True lemon. 1 packet equals one wedge of lemon. Ugh. What the heck would you use this for? Maybe to flavor a drink? Because it doesn't give any directions on making a drink. I think I've seen these before. I think these are for... You're going to use this to... you can flavor this with stuff. There's another one. My wife loves lemon, so I will give that to her. I'm not going to use it. This is a good... I like this idea. These single Purells. I've never seen them before besides Minotaur, but that's a really good idea. 1 pack of salt. There's a lifesaver. Another pack of salt. Pack of pepper. Another pack. 1 pack of sugar, regular. There's another 3rd pack of sugar. And then we've got ourselves a chicken. I'm assuming this is going to be a bouillon. Yeah, chicken bouillon. A beef one. Nice. And then last but not least, some little glow sticks. I wonder if they still work after all this time. Seem to work. Break them up really good. Let's turn out the light and see if it works. Seems to work okay. Not really putting off a whole lot of light, to be honest. So I would say no. Fun idea, though. Alright, well that's it. The inside of that can is lined. Well, I was going to grab a light and shine it in there, but yeah, these inside of these cans have been lined. Which sucks because you can't use them to boil water in. Or cook in them for that matter. That's not a really good idea. Let me grab a flashlight real quick. Yeah, so see? I don't know what the heck you're thinking. You can't boil water in this. You can't cook in it. I wouldn't even store water in there. Oh, that was... They were definitely not thinking when they... I wonder what their thoughts on lining that can was. Interesting. Well, that's that. Okay, well, let's move on. That is a lot of drinks. Well, a lot of coffee anyway. Yeah, coffee. And 3 of these limey things, or these pink lemonades. And the fruit, which we will not be getting into. Oh, look, here's a drinks can. Duh. Well, let's see what we got for drinks. Because those other ones are no bueno. Oh, here we go. I already know what this is. I can smell it. They stuffed some apple cider in there. These are great. Oh man, the smell. Oh. That'll bring back instant memories. So I will use one of these, matter of fact. What is this? Oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We hit the jackpot on drinks that don't work. There's 2 fruit punches and 2 lemonades. So we got a total of 3 lemonades and 3 fruit punches. Well, I need to keep those separated because those are going to the garbage. And another Blue Line tin. Yeah. Not really useful at that point for anything survival. I mean, I guess you could burn it out, technically. I don't know what it would look like, but you could at least try. Here's our snack can. Oh, they shoved those in there pretty good. Oh, we got some peanuts. So, my only problem is these aren't vacuum sealed. They have no... Well, I wouldn't put an oxygen absorber in there. I wonder what the condition of these are going to be like that. What do we got here? Ooh, we got their fruit nut mix. Or, I mean, not nut. The fruit mix. Which is always good. Their mixes are really, really good. And, of course, we got another Lion can. I may not keep these cans. I don't know. Alright, so crackers and jam. What? Cream cheese icing. Well, it says crackers and jam. Did they like run out of jam or something and shoved a bunch of cream cheese packets in here? Ooh, look at that. Lots of crackers in here. Oh, the smell coming out of that can is no bueno. It smells like when crackers go bad. It smells like well, I'll be just let me show you this. You're just gonna be like, what the heck? Look, the inside of this can is not lined. Check that out. So you could peel the wrapper off this and you could cook in there. Boil water. Yeah, you could probably even, out of one of these, maybe even try to make char cloth. But the smell coming out of this can is not pleasant. These are all saltines, by the way. I wonder how well they did. Anyway, let's get on with the show, shall we? What I'm going to do is, these gots to go. Gots to go, go, go. Okay, well, we've got a lot of stuff going on here. This I'm going to nuke in the old microwave. And a couple of these things I'm not going to use. I'm just going to throw them in that box of miscellaneous that Mike gave me from the Minotaur. Actually, while we're here, let's go ahead and use this P38 and see how she does. Alright. Yeah, I'm surprised it's a real one because other ration that they sent us was fake. Matter of fact, that fake one worked better than this one. This is not sharp at all. Well, yeah, it's not cutting very well. Yeah, that other fake one I had worked way better. Matter of fact, I still have it. It's in the kitchen. Some of those, you go to the store and you buy a can opener for 15, 20 bucks, and it lasts like 3 times. And then that, see this thing, I don't know if it's starting to bend on me or what, but yeah, this thing's not working so well. Not well at all. Whew. Yeah, I think what happened is because this little thing right here is supposed to actually snap onto the side of the can to help give you leverage. It's not snapping on it. It's too big. But yeah, that P38 that I have is actually more reliable than these stupid can openers I keep getting at the store. Yeah, I'm not going to keep this 38. It is a piece of garbage. Alright, let's see what this looks like in here. Oh, we all know what that stuff is. Ah, it smells great. Alright, so let me go toss this in the old nuker and get everything out on a tray. Alright, well, we got quite the full plate here today. Full tray. Let's get this spiced apple cider out here. See what we can do with it. I said 6 to 8 ounces. It's a little clippy. Oh, it smells great. Really like that cider smell. Real easy here. I'm going to pick this up. I'm going to mix it a little bit better. Off camera. How about we do this? I'm going to move all this over here. Put these guys right here. And that'll work. Alright, let's check this out and see what we got. See how these turned out. Smells okay. Alright, spoon. Alright. Well, this is not a bad little meal. That's a lot of hash brown, though. I mean, corned beef. And just as you'd expect it. Really good. It's like comfort food right here. Oh, yeah. Not really liking the bowl action going on here. It doesn't want to fit in the tray. A lot of, I would assume that's grease. Spot on. Very good. I'm interested in, because of the smell coming off these crackers, I'm actually just going to assume that these are not good. No, you don't. Here, I'm going to. No. Those are not good. Those are the condensed ones. Yeah, those crackers are not good. Not at all. Which makes me, wonder why. These aren't packaged any different. And, these taste just fine. So I don't know. Maybe just not as good of a quality. I could eat this whole thing. And actually, I will. By the way, I'm making a mess off camera over here. I should have like a secondary camera filming on the side. And then every once in a while I can have like a, you know, behind the scenes footage of the stuff you guys don't see, because that's a mess. I don't want to put too much in here because I don't want to overwhelm it. So what I'm thinking of doing, let's go like this. Oh, there we go. That's interesting that Cholula is not even hot at all. That was very interesting. Like maybe because it's like maybe separated or something. Not spicy. A little bit. Let's try a couple of these peanuts and see how they held up. Well, despite my concerns on the packaging, it held up just fine. Wow, and so did the fruit. I wonder if packing in that can had anything to do with it. I don't know. Everything but those other crackers are not good. I am getting full. This is a lot of food. I think you could have probably divvied this up between 2 people. You easily could have. Check out these condensed milk. Or sweet milk. I've had these once before. Wish we could have gotten the cheese. They had these like but with cheese flavored. So they're stacked together on 3. Very good. Imagine if you put a little bit of frosting between a couple crackers. Not a bad meal. Matter of fact, I'm full. I need a full-size napkin with this. Wow, incredibly good. I have nothing bad to say, except for those crackers that were not any good, but that's alright. We had the Skyflakes. Saved the day. But awesome little Minotaur ration. Really good corned beef. I haven't had it in a while. Makes me now realize that I should have it more often. So, leave in the comments what you guys thought about this, or if you had it before and how you thought it was. Or if you've had any of the other versions of this retro ration. And yeah, so thanks for stopping by, guys, and watching the video and hanging out with me this long. It ran a little bit longer than usual, but until next time, have a good one.